people are trying to resell them now and make money. Radiator as well, full race radiators on it. Carbon fibre, bodywork. Very nice. And Brembo braking system all over. Also a lot of
Now we're at the home of Keith Parrott, and he has the yacht PETRONAS Yamaha R1M. Then thank you for letting us have a glance at it. So we are so excited. So Keith, why did you buy this bike?
I bought it as a collector's, to be honest, an investment, because there was only 46 of them being made in the world. It is a pure collector's bike. It wasn't for the intention of riding at the track, because they need to be kept and you know, kept in good condition, not used on the track to keep their value, basically. Yeah, and to, you know, for promotion, if people want to display it at events or something, you know, that was another reason as well. But, and also because it was going to be the only one in Asia, because most of them are in Europe.
How much did you invest in this bike?
They were all sold for, it was funny because there are 46 of them, and the price was 46,000 euros. So it was quite weird that they ended up at that price. But yeah, everybody bought them for 46,000 euros. Yeah. It seems they've already increased in value already after 1 year. Some of them are actually for sale in Europe already, resale. For double the money.
Double?
Yes, some of them are asking double the money now. So yeah, but I didn't really intend to just buy it and sell it. I wanted to keep it and actually have it in my living room as a display piece as well. Yeah, it's quite nice instead of an ornament to have a motorcycle in your living room. So yeah, it's good.
All right, thank you.